Welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two leading accounting software solutions, QuickBooks and Freshbooks. So QuickBooks is developed by Intuit and it's a comprehensive accounting solution designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers a wide range of features including income and expense tracking, invoicing, payroll management, and robust reporting tools. QuickBooks also provides industry-specific tools, making it a scalable option as your business grows. FreshBooks, on the other hand, is tailored primarily for small businesses and freelancers. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and basic reporting. FreshBooks emphasizes an intuitive user experience, allowing users to manage their finances without extensive accounting knowledge. Now, as always in this segment, we compare the two. So in terms of user experience, FreshBooks offers an intuitive platform, ideal for those without an accounting background. QuickBooks provides a more feature-rich environment, which may require a learning curve, but offers greater depth for complex accounting needs. In terms of features, QuickBooks offers advanced accounting features, including payroll management and a few other industry-specific tools, making it suitable for growing businesses. FreshBooks covers essential functions like invoicing and expense tracking. In terms of pricing, both platforms offer tiered pricing plans to accommodate different needs and budgets. It's advisable to review their respective websites for the most current accurate pricing information. In summary, the choice between QuickBooks and FreshBooks depends on your business requirements. If you need a comprehensive accounting solution with advanced features and scalability, QuickBooks may be the better fit. If you prefer a user-friendly platform with essential features tailored for a smaller business owner or a freelancer, FreshBooks could be the ideal choice. Evaluate your business needs to make an informed decision. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.